Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's question is, when is it time to replace your wiring? And we're going to give you an answer. Stick around. So we're just going to take the wire, gently pull down. The cord is pretty much melted together. So there we have our finished end with our. So this is a job we're doing. We're going to do an upgrade, and this is the main old 60 amp switch coming in. So when you start seeing old shoddy wire, the old cloth wiring like you can see here at close up, that's when it's time to replace this stuff. That stuff doesn't have a ground in it, and it just gets brittle over time, and then it ends up disintegrating. So things like this, obviously that needs to be fixed up. And then we have an old fuse panel over here, wires hanging everywhere. Of course we got to fix those up. Now this over here is NMD. It's probably done in the 80s, so it may be savable, but most of this all has to go. So of course this is the time when we're into replacing this wiring. There's a number of old switches here that has to be replaced as well, just because it gets so brittle after a while, right? Like this old stuff here with no ground in it, it's a mess, and we got to clean it up. Here's a prime example of one. That's cloth wiring. I don't know if you can see that. That has no ground in it, and it's probably cloth conductors inside, so that's got to go. There's some more old cloth wiring you can see here. It runs up through the floor, no ground in it. Yeah, it's just a mess. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all of that. We're going to come in here with a new service across the basement. We're going to put a new panel, new heating panel, right basically there where the plywood is. And then we're going to run everything new into there. Outside here, we're going to get rid of that old 60 amp service, and we're going to erect a new service right next to it. And we're going to end up going up right up through the roof with the new service, and then into the basement. So that's a real quick video on when you should look at getting your wiring replaced. Obviously when you get into the older stuff that's not white, or some of the old braided stuff that's cloth, that's when you need to look at getting it rewired. That stuff, like what happens is over time it dries out, especially if you're changing out light fixtures, it builds up heat, the wire just cracks and disintegrates. So when we go to install a new light fixture and we pull on the old wire, it just goes ahead and falls apart. So it just needs to be replaced with the newer rubber wiring, or the newer NMD or Romex, or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you guys like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.